Welcome to the RIZE OneTouch tutorial series. In this video, you will learn to use the markup mode to apply colorful text and images to the surface of part models. Markups are graphics that are applied digitally to the surface of a model. When that model is processed into a print job by OneTouch, the graphical elements are converted into print data that can be jetted onto parts during a print using RIZE's patented APD technology. Once a part model has been imported and oriented appropriately, entering markup mode is as simple as selecting the markup button from the toolbar. Only one model can be brought into markup mode at a time. If only one model has been imported, then markup mode will select that model by default. If there is more than one model present, select the desired model with the cursor before entering markup mode. This is the main interface of markup mode. From here, markups can be applied, modified, and deleted. Next, we'll look at how to manipulate and apply picture markups.